Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a story. The title of my story is King Lear. The story is written by William Shakespeare. And this is a story about a Briton king who failed to live a peaceful life uh, after getting retired. And there are three main characters in this story: Kent, King himself, and Edmund. King, who has three daughters, and he is arrogant in nature and not so smart in his character. Kent, he is a nobleman who worked under King Lear administrator. Uh, he always wanted to serve king in a proper way. Edmund is a illegitimate son of Gloucester. Uh, he is a villain in this story. All right, let me start by telling you the story about the whole story about this King Lear. So to begin with, as King was getting older day by day, he wanted to distribute his kingdom to his three daughters, Goneril, Regan, and Cordelia. He don't know how to divide his kingdom, so he organized a ceremony and daughter and asked their daughter to express their love for his father, and the person who can express their love will get more part of his kingdom. So on that day, the two elder daughter, Goneril and Regan, they lied to their father and they said that they love their father a lot, which was not true. The true lover of his father, that is Cordelia, who is the youngest daughter of King Lear, she only said that she loved his father as a daughter loved their father, not more, not less. This statement made King very angry, and she asked her younger daughter to leave his kingdom. So, and that time, Kent came to King's place and asked King to also advise King that why he is doing this thing to his own younger daughter. Kent also advises him the way which he is doing to distribute his kingdom was not a proper way. King got very angry that moment. He treated Kent very badly and knocked him out from his kingdom. So now, as King was able to successfully able to divide his kingdom to his two younger daughter, the King's main goal was to live a peaceful life after getting retired. So now, as the king got retired, now he has to now leave to his daughter place and visit on daughter place randomly one after one. So initially he went to first daughter place, where he was treated very badly by the first daughter. There Kent came to serve King. He did not show his own identity to King, that he is a Kent. He gave a different name. King was also not aware that he's the same person who had advises him earlier. So as King was very upset about his elder daughter, then he decided to go to his second daughter, Regan. There also he was treated very badly by Regan, as Goneril and Regan, they were having a same mental status. They were already in the same status. They both lied to their father earlier. So this thing King came to know later, and he was very upset. He was left outside a stormy night. He had nothing left, as already his kingdom was already overtaken by Goneril and Regan. Now he's totally helpless. So Kent somehow manages to inform his youngest daughter, Cordelia, who is now Queen of French Kingdom. So he sent someone to inform about the status of his father. So as soon as Cordelia came to know about his father's status and about the treatment it's given by his own sister, elder sister, so she went searching his father. She found his father. She gave all the treatment, gave food, treatment, medicine to his father, and she decided now to take revenge against Cornelia and Regan about the treatment that they have given to their father. So they try to attack Britain Kingdom. So in this way, Edmund somehow came to know about the attack that is happening from France to Britain. So he went to Goneril and Regan and informed them that the French kingdom is trying to attack their kingdom. So they gave all the power to Edmund to take over the battle, and as Edmund got full power to look after the battle. So there was as the battle started, Edmund is person who love both Goneril and Regan. Regan and Goneril also love Edmund at the same time. They already have their husband, but still they love Edmund. So during the battle, the second daughter, husband died. So now second daughter was about to get into with Edmund as she was now alone. But Goneril did not want this thing to happen. He did not want Edmund to be with Regan. So she killed Regan by poisoning her. And as you can see on my screen, Goneril was already dead. Regan is also now dead. Now during the battle, Edmund was also fighting with the French, so he was also suffering a lot, and he also died. Now Goneril is she killed herself as she was feeling very guilty that she killed her own sister. Because of the guiltiness that she had, she killed herself as well. So as before Edmund died, he informed his army men to kill King and Cordelia as they were captured after the battle, as the French kingdom lose the battle. So Cordelia and King were captured and they were kept in a prison. So Edmund sent his army men to kill both of them in the prison. So as a king tried to save his youngest daughter in the prison, but he failed to save it. He was also injured at the same time. So as this is how he failed to live a peaceful life. So as he was getting unconsciousness, Ken came to King Place and telling her that he is the one who advises him, the king. But King got full unconsciousness and he died. So in this story, Kent also died. King also died. There was no character left in the story. Only the character left was the husband of Goneril, Albany, who also disliked about Goneril's attitude toward his own father. So this is the story of the King Lear, how he failed to live a peaceful life after distributing his kingdom to his selfish daughter. So my question is to you: if you were King Lear, how would you distribute your kingdom to your own daughters or your sons? Please tell me and discuss your answer. Thank you.